Hi, are you in charge of operations for a small to mid-sized business? Are you sick and tired of technology not working for you? Instead, it works against you? Are you concerned about hackers, malware, ransomware, data loss? My name is Sid Rothenberg, and I'm the president and co-founder of Reliable Information Technology. We call ourselves RIT Company. I'm a small business owner myself, and I understand we want technology to work for us, not against us. We specialize in working with businesses to make sure that they have the right technology to help them run their business without any problems. How do we do this? We first listen to what works and what doesn't work in your business. We then do a complete audit of your network and system. We review it and come back with our findings and come up with a plan that works within your budget. What I'd like to do for you today is offer you a free network security audit plus 2 free hours of support just to try us. Some of the things that we can do: computer repair, full system backups, network security, server support, IT support, managed services, and remote support. I know once you see what we can do, you'll want to hire us for all your technology needs. So please give us a call, 847-348-3381. Let's set up an appointment, Zoom, Teams, or on the phone, and let's get this going. Thanks and have a great day.